Alright, welcome to Daddy Jack's. Daddy Jack's, New London. The only Daddy Jack's left in the whole. We had at one time 5 or 6 going around, 5 down in Texas and up here, and this is number 10 Daddy Jack's up here in Connecticut. So I've had some comments that people don't think that I know what I'm doing with the business. You know, it's kind of like, hey, show me what you got. I show you what I got. So, hey, but we're gonna do it. It's called a chicken. Cory is my bartender. I call him Jethro. This guy, he's like 6'6" something, and stout, deadlift 760 pounds, and sometimes here he is. Cory, come back here for a second. Come back here for a second. So there's Cory.
What's up?
Hey, how many pounds do you deadlift?
My best in competition is 755.
755, man.
Yeah.
That's good enough. That qualifies, you know, to throw out some of these drunkards, you know, that act up. But anyway, I'm telling them all about Cory's chicken pizza Parmesan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I say, you know, Cory, like, okay, go. Like, he might have 10 10 minutes to wolf it down, and we have it ready for him. And so this is another one of Cory's creations here. You gonna come back and sample it?
I might have to try it. You know what I mean?
All right, man. So here we go. A little bit of olive oil. We'll get that going. But I'm gonna chicken breast. I gotta bread it up. There we go. I gotta get over here, Glenn.
There you go.
A little salt and pepper on the chicken breast. Drain out the egg extra well. I like to pat it down, get the crumbs well coated. Okay. I'm right back and wash my hands. I can let the audience know that I do wash my hands. I don't bread them up. It looks like you got chicken fingers. But no, we do between takes, right, Glenn?
That's right.
So here we go, look. So I grab my tongs. Okay, so I'm gonna hit it with a little sauce. Fire down real low. Give me that plate there, Ty. Okay. Right here now. So I got meatball, pepperoni, everything you put on a pizza. A little bit of mushroom, a little bit of sausage, Orsini sausage, hot sausage, can't be beat. Okay, I got some mozzarella provolone cheddar blend. Okay. A little bit of fresh mozz. I always put the olives on top. A little sun dried. Oh hell, man! Come on, just do the whole thing, huh? For Cory. All right. Parmesan on top. And right up under the broiler. So nice and golden bubbly. We'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go, the piece de resistance. Here you go. Boy, boy. Make sure you see it, leave it a little bit for Glenn though. Good, Cory.
That's what all mine.
See, but normally, Cory demolished this in about
10 minutes?
Oh, you kidding me?
Like 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
2 minutes and 2 seconds. Hold on, Cory.
Pizza bar.
Hold on, man. Oh.
A little color. A little bit of color. All right, there we go. I know that
You know it's going to be blazing
it's
hot.
going to be real hot. That's all right, though. I can handle it.
Usually when it cool down about 5 minutes for Cory. Give a little bit of a head start.
One of my favorite things, the pizza parm. It's all yours, Glenn.
Cory's got it, man. It's another dish we got named after the big guy.
Later, guys.
Yeah, Daddy Jack Cory's, not Daddy Jack's, Cory's chicken pizza, chicken parm. And it's Daddy Jack's going with the blues here. Glenn Felty on camera. Back at it again, bro. Last month, can we say it? Last month, all our beautiful YouTube followers, we love you all. 600, we just started this channel. We had Chaplin's channel. We've just been doing this, what, less than a year, right, Glenn?
Yeah,
really
couple months.
That new stuff?
Couple months.
We already got 8,900 subscribers, 8,900 subscribers. Last month, 639,000 minutes watched. Love you all.